Evidence is admissible only if it has been authenticated as reliable. If an unattended security camera captures images, can those images be considered reliable proof of what happened and be admitted as evidence? The Arkansas Court of Appeals addressed this question in Fisher v. State. Thelma Fisher and her two daughters worked as night cleaners for a grocery store. Fisher was arrested and charged with stealing groceries from the store. The store's owner had videotape footage that showed the three women bagging and removing groceries from the store after hours when no one else was present. Fisher moved to exclude the video footage from her trial. Fisher argued that the video evidence couldn't be properly authenticated because no human witness could testify that the video images fairly and accurately represented what had happened. At the motion hearing, the store owner testified that he had personally set up the video camera before he left the store, that it had been operating correctly, and that anyone trying to touch the camera's controls would have been caught on the tape approaching the camera. The only person caught on tape approaching the camera was the store owner when he came back to the store to switch tapes at one point, and again when he removed the second tape a few hours later. The film contained no gaps and the images remained steady, indicating that the camera wasn't touched during the filming process. The owner also testified that he'd maintained custody of the tapes since removing them from the camera that night. The trial court ruled that the owner's testimony established a sufficient foundation to authenticate the video images and admitted the video evidence at trial. The jury convicted Fisher of theft. Fisher appealed to the Arkansas Court of Appeals.